Haha, I know, right? That was a powerful sneeze. Looks like more than a little snot came out of Helly with that sneeze. Here, take my sweatshirt. Looks like white pants was a crappy idea. Ooh, wrong choice of words. Yeah, it's time to go.
Alright, it's time to get ready for the party tonight. Makeup is on point, just a spritz of perfume. No one's around. I want to make sure I smell like a beautiful meadow all night long. Whoa, Lana, you may be going a little overboard. Smells amazing. Oh my gosh, what is that smell? Why would she wear that much perfume? Man, I can hardly breathe. What, did a flower garden barf on her or something? Well, at least you know you didn't go unnoticed, right, Lana? Lunch is always a good time to catch up. And as usual, Sophia has a ton of great stories to tell. And while you listen, you drink. Whoa, Lily sure is thirsty. Can you imagine? Me on a horse? Ooh, I suddenly have to pee. Okay, almost there. Wait, this romper's like Fort Knox. I've got to undo everything just to pee. Why didn't I just wear pants today? This is taking forever. Now for the straps. Ooh, it sure is chilly in here. Hope no one barges in. Or they'll be in for a surprise.
Mascara, the final step in your long makeup process. But why is it that you always manage to sneeze right before it dries? Yep, looks like those made-up eyes need a redo. Unless you're into that raccoon-eyed look. You'd better text your boss. You're gonna be late this morning. Alright, it's a new day, which means a fresh start. Oh, come on! This can't be happening again! This time, try holding your eyes open so the mascara doesn't press against your face. Hey, it totally worked! Now all you need is a fresh cup of coffee to make this morning absolutely perfect. Looking gorgeous, Olivia! Finally, a lunch break on the rooftop after a rough morning at work. Oh my gosh. Do you see that view? That view?
Wow.
Oh, yeah. We definitely see it. Oh man, do you think he saw us? I don't have an ounce of makeup on. Quick, let's go spruce up a bit. Sometimes all it takes is a surprise hottie to cause an express glow-up. From a quick fluff of your hair to a quick lipstick touch-up. Whoa, Emily means business. Sometimes a few little changes can make you feel like a brand new, gorgeous woman. Alright, ladies, are we ready? Are those the same girls? Somebody call a modeling scout because these girls are working it. Why is it that walking in slow-mo makes everything look 10 times sexier? Oh, here comes the hair flip. Yes, Emily, yes! Olivia has that seductive lip bit move down pat. Guys, we've been walking for a while now. Do you think that cute guy is getting weirded out? On bad days like these, nothing feels better than stuffing your face full of fries and a big, juicy burger. Oh man, that felt good. Okay, time to get back to reality. Whoa, I definitely ate too much. I feel like I'm gonna burst. No one will notice if I open a few of these buttons, right? Phew, so much better. Man, I gotta go lie down. Stuffing your face may have seemed like a good idea, but now your jeans won't fit. Shoot, I have to get to class in 10 minutes, but I can't get these darn things over my hips. Oof, come on. All right, that's it. I'm not eating fries ever again. Well, not this week anyway. Happy birthday, Olivia! It smells amazing. Oh, it's too bad sugar's taking a back seat these days. Bring on the mixed greens, baby. Happy birthday to me. It tastes just like chocolate. If chocolate tastes like dry, bitter arugula, this is the worst birthday ever. How's that cake tasting, girls? Please tell me it's awful. Look, no one said eating healthy was easy. Whoa, how old is that pear? When did I even buy this? Ew, since when are pears supposed to smell like armpits? 26? Phew. 27? Ugh, working out sucks. Is that a donut? Am I so deprived I'm having food mirages now? Finish your sit-ups, Olivia. Tasty treats are at stake. The eyes are almost done. Just need some liquid liner. Steady. Brian? 1 second. Rushing while applying liner is never good. Ooh, is that even a line? Definitely uneven. You home, Lily? 1 second! I'll just fix the other side to match. Almost there. 1 second, please! Will this vicious cycle ever end? I can't go out like this. Maybe this will help. Is this even helping? Things aren't looking any more even. Perhaps I can do the same thing over here? That's a little better. At least they're similar, right? Okay, I'm coming out. Hey. What's up with your face? Let's just go, okay? What can I cross off my to-do list? Laundry? Done. Grocery shopping? Ah! Oh my god, where did I put that bug spray? Yes, here it is. All right, Spider, your days are numbered, mister. Oh no, where to go? Spider? I guess I won't be sleeping for a few days. All right, I'm off to the hotel down the street. I'm not looking for any 8-legged roommates today. Gah! Well, I better pack clothes for a few days. I don't know how long I'll be gone. 2, 3 days? I wonder how long it'll take for that hideous thing to die. Well, it looks like Olivia can't get out of her place fast enough. Good thing spiders don't run too fast. I feel like it's on me. Is it on me? Okay, I don't have time to wait for the gate to open. I'm hopping over. Don't worry, neighbors, just running away from a flesh-eating bug. Nothing to see here. Taxi! Curly hair is gorgeous, but sometimes it's fun to switch things up. And a flat iron is just the man for the job. Hey, why isn't this thing working? What's going on? My hair's still curly. Ugh, come on. What's wrong with this thing? It worked a couple days ago. Weird, it doesn't even feel hot. Is it having trouble heating up? Why isn't it working? Well, that explains it. The thing's not even plugged in. You must be feeling pretty stupid right about now, aren't you, Olivia? Well, I think my hair looks better this way anyway. Stat. Believe it or not, there's an art to texting, and taking time to explain an entire story via smartphone is a feat. But the best part? Waiting for your friend to respond to your epic text. Ugh, come on, girl. How long does it take you to read? Okay, Helly, I know you're by your phone. Geez, what do I have to wait for, Christmas? It's here! Seriously? All this time and that's all you have to say? Oh, that's it. She is not getting away with that lazy response. I'm going over to her house and telling her this is not okay. Wow, Vicky's really getting lathered up in that cab. She's gonna blow. I'm here. Ugh, what, do you take as long answering the door as you do answering texts? Vicky, what's up? What's up? This is what's up! I take the time to text you this epic story. I knew I should have used some emojis.